If your back and hamstrings feel stiff and tense, then this is the session for you. Join me for gentle seated stretches designed to increase flexibility, support mobility, and melt away tension, leaving your body feel more open, relaxed, and renewed. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue flowing with this movement. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Release and return to center. Moving into a lateral stretch variation, place your left hand to the chair for support. Reach your right arm up and overhead and lower. Continue flowing with this movement, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, feeling a gentle stretch through your right side body. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Place your right hand to the chair for support. Reach your left arm up and overhead and lower. Continue flowing with this movement, breathing wide into your left side body. Release and return to center. Moving into a seated twist variation. With your hands to your thighs, begin to gently rotate from right to left, moving from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, allowing this twisting action to re-energize and nourish your spine. Release and return to center. Extend both your legs forward, rooting down through your feet. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, hands to thighs, gliding your hands down your legs, gently folding forward. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift your torso to upright, sweeping your arms overhead. And with each exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward from your hip creases, keeping your core engaged and your spine long, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Release and return to center. Moving into a forward bend variation. Extend your right leg forward, keeping your right foot flexed. Begin to alternate, gliding your hands down your right leg and lifting your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. And with each exhale, glide your hands down your right leg, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling your mind calm, stretching through your back body. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Extend your left leg forward, flexing through your left heel. Begin to alternate gliding your hands down your left leg and lifting your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Continue flowing at your own pace, wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. And with each exhale, glide your hands down your left leg, folding forward from your hip creases, keeping your core engaged and your left leg active by flexing through your left heel. Stay connected to your breath as you release and return to center, moving into a seated twist variation. With your spine long, inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, gently twist, reaching one arm forward and the opposite arm back. Inhale at center, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, keeping your navel back towards your spine, moving from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, pop on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, where you can sign up for a free chair yoga starter guide, plus 3 full-length videos for you to enjoy anywhere, anytime. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.